Hi, Nathan here, founder of Embodied Excellence and the creator of the Infinite Possibility video series. And this week, I want to talk to you about reflection and this idea of, how often are we reflecting on our week? How did our week go? And more specifically, the question I love to ask is, what was the most amazing thing that happened to you this week? And when you reflect back on that particular question, if you're there's going to be a few camps of people here. If you're in the camp that you have to really think hard, and maybe you can't even come up with something that you would consider amazing, something incredible or amazing happening to you. Well, even though that's not preferred, it's good to know. It's good to take the time to make that reflection and to become aware of the fact that maybe there aren't as many amazing experiences happening for you as you would like. And then maybe you're in the camp of, you reflect and you get like so many amazing things come to mind, and that's fantastic. And if you're one of those people, then, I would invite you to consider, are you able to pinpoint, why is it that do you think that you are able to have so many amazing, incredible experiences? Are you just choosing to, call something amazing and incredible? Or is your life just really full and rich with, incredible people? And is that why you're able to do that so easily? So just consider for yourself. And, if you're in that former camp where you kind of have a hard time, well, I really invite you to consider, okay, how can I shift my focus? And how can I start to generate for myself more amazing, incredible experiences? And, a good place to start is to really understand, okay, well, for me, what do I consider to be an amazing experience? Because if you don't know, well, then that's a great place to start, is to just kind of consider for yourself, okay, what has to happen for me to consider this thing, whatever it is, an incredible experience, something that's worth remembering, okay? And start there. And then I like to do this reflection on Sundays. For me personally, it's the end of the week right before the beginning of the next week, so it's a perfect time to reflect. And then it's also a great time to prepare for the week ahead and to start to consider, okay, well, especially if you're in that camp of not having so many amazing experiences. Well, as your week's coming up, okay, you kind of know what your week is going to look like, usually, a little bit. And, okay, where do I want to start to put in and start creating these amazing experiences for myself? Who are the people I'm going to be interacting with? And what are the things I know that I can do that are going to help create those moments for me and for others? So that's the challenge for this week, is to ask yourself the question, the inquiry, and go into that reflective state. Okay, what has been the most amazing thing that happened for me this week? And if you're seeing this video tonight, it's Sunday right now, you can start doing that challenge tonight before you go to bed. And if not, just pick a day of the week that works for you. But make sure that you're on a regular basis doing this inquiry and just starting to notice, look for patterns, and see how can you start to increase the number of incredible experiences that you're having each and every single week. Because I want you to have an amazing life. I'm sure you want to have an amazing life. And if we don't take the time to have that inquiry and to do that reflection, well, then maybe we're going to be missing a lot of opportunities to make our life the way that we want it. So that is the challenge for this week. I sincerely hope that you will take it on. And if you like this video, I hope it served you, then hit the like button down below or share it with a friend, a family, loved ones. I would really appreciate it. And they will appreciate it too. And until I see you next time, I hope you'll go out there every single day and be an extraordinary ambassador for humanity.